Welcome to Ableton Live Quick Start for Beginners. My name is Brian Jackson, and I'm a music producer, audio engineer, composer, sound designer, and educator from Brooklyn, New York. I'm also the author of the Music Producer's Survival Guide, Chaos, Creativity, and Career in Independent and Electronic Music. I'm one of the first 5 Ableton Certified Trainers on the planet since 2008, and while I do often use Pro Tools when working on sound-to-picture projects, and Logic from time to time when collaborating with other producers and composers, Ableton Live is my primary DAW, and the one I've used to create all of my music since version 4 was released in 2004. I've created this course for total beginners with Ableton Live. The only prerequisites for this course are that you will want to have solid skills with your Mac or PC, such as knowing how to locate system settings and how to easily find and manage files and folders on your computer. You don't need any music theory or music production experience. So why Live? I can sum up why to use Live in 5 reasons: creativity, workflow, flexibility, speed, and live performance. Of course, Live is named Live because it was originally designed to allow musicians to perform on stage with their computer. It's now the industry standard DAW for live performances of many genres, with some of the largest acts in the world using Live to run their entire shows in front of massive crowds around the world. But even if you don't intend to perform with Live, it's evolved into one of the most powerful and popular DAWs for music production, used by musicians, producers, beatmakers, and composers from almost every genre of modern music. We'll start with some general discussion of what you need to get going, and then move on to setting up an account, downloading, installing, and authorizing Live. The first half of this course is about learning your way around Live. In the second half of the course, we'll make a simple song together using content from the core library, which is automatically installed with every version of Live 11. Your project for this course is to complete a simple song that can be exported as a WAV and MP3. You can either remake the song as I show you, or create something completely on your own based on what you learn. I'll mostly be on macOS for this course, but Live is nearly identical on Windows. I use Windows for a few parts of the early lessons, and I will discuss pertinent differences between Live on the 2 operating systems. If at any time things are moving too fast for you, you can stop and pause the lessons and try things out for yourself until you're ready to get going again. I've included a number of live sets that you can download so you can follow along. Check the links below, and I'll mention these projects multiple times as we move through the course. If you have any questions about the course, definitely use the discussion section below. I check in often and do my best to reply within 48 hours, often much quicker. I'm also available for private lessons via video chat should you get stuck or are simply wanting a personalized learning experience. You can reach me at info@formlabsnyc.com. In the next video, which is the first proper lesson, we'll talk about what you need to get started, and I'll point you to some of my older courses just in case you only want to use Live 9 or Live 10 for some reason. Okay, let's go.